everybody, Amanda Caton here, back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about things that we use to supplement our math and strengthen our math skills outside of the curriculum that we are using. So, number one, we use board games. So we are a board game family. We love board games. It's something my husband and I bonded over before we were even dating, is our love of board games. And so we started playing board games with our daughter when she was about 4 years old, not with any intention of education behind it, just because we love board games and we wanted to invite her in to our board games. And so 2 games that I'm going to recommend today that are, number one, super fun, but also super great for helping with those early math skills. Pass the Pigs is one. It's a super old game. I played this when I was a teenager. And so you get these 2 little piggies there and you're going to roll them, and each turn you're going to roll and get a certain number of points depending on the position of the pig. So as you're going, you're adding as you go to get that score for the end of that round. And so really easy, fun first edition there. My daughter started and we kind of helped her out, and before long she was adding up our scores as well. And so we joke that her first math curriculum was pig math. So this is pig math, Pass the Pigs. Another one that we love is Yahtzee Classic. So your standard dice game where you're getting a certain amount of points that you're recording on a scoreboard, and then you're adding them all up at the end. So 2 super fun, very simple games, but actually help solidify some of those addition skills that your kid needs to have solidified to move on to the more complicated math. Okay, number 2, in the same vein, is apps. And so finding a really good math app that your kid can play with. I recommend one called CrossMath. So at the start of this video, in the first picture that you saw, I put a little picture of the CrossMath app. So if you're going to look for it, you'll be able to see what it looks like in the App Store. It is a free app, but you can upgrade for $8 to be ad-free, which we did. We never saw anything inappropriate on the ads there, but it was just kind of annoying every round to have to wait two minutes to watch an ad for another game. So we just paid the $8 to get rid of that, and then we're able to play ad free. And so what you have is, it's like a crossword type math on the phone or the tablet, and there's 4 levels: easy, medium, hard, and expert. And so what I do is I play it with my daughter, and so we will challenge each other, say, okay, you're going to do an easy one, let's see how fast you can do it, and then I'm going to try and beat your time. So we kind of make it a little competition between the 2 of us, and it is super duper fun. It's also great because it gives her a chance to play with mommy's phone, which she always wants to play with my phone. I know it's not just my kid, there's like a magnet to the phone, but she knows that's something she's allowed to do on my phone with me present with her. So again, we're also strengthening those math skills through play. Number 3 is a curriculum. It's actually a full curriculum, but we don't use it as that, called Beast Academy. And so it is an online, kind of has a game format to it. And so it is a very rigorous program. I just want to start off by saying that. It is a very rigorous program. So if you have a child who's insecure about math, I would not recommend Beast Academy. But if you have a child who's really, really good at math and you feel like they could do with a little bit of a challenge, Beast Academy would definitely challenge them. They have some amazing little games on there and tests that they can do. And my daughter has absolutely loved being challenged by Beast Academy. She would say she has a love-hate relationship with Beast Academy. There were so many times where she was like, I'm on this challenge and I just don't think I can do it. And then she's wrestled through and she's got it right. And then the next day she's like, I want another challenge, I can do it. And so seeing her be able to wrestle through those more difficult concepts and not give up, teaching her like, don't give up, keep trying, and then seeing her achieve it. Beast Academy has been great for that, for our family. It's $15.99 a month, and they also offer yearly subscriptions. As with anything like that, I always recommend you do at least 3 months before you commit to a yearly subscription, just to make sure it isn't a flash in the pan for your kid, because sometimes your kid can love an app or a program for about a month, and then they run out of steam. And if you've paid 12 months, you've paid 12 months and you're not using it. So we've been doing it for about 4 months now, and I think we might be ready to commit to a yearly subscription. We shall see. Okay, and number 4, and this is my absolute favorite way that we have supplemented math, something called Math Antics. It's actually on YouTube. A guy called Rob has videos explaining almost every math concept all the way from elementary up to high school. He has a very humorous and entertaining way of explaining a concept. He has a way of being able to simplify it, so it's really, really easy to understand, and it seems like he's explained every concept. So anytime we got to a point in a worksheet or with anything that we didn't quite understand, we knew we could go over to Math Antics and we could find a video that would explain it to us. And there have been many times also as I've been preparing the night before to teach and I've realized I don't really understand this concept, I've been able to go onto Math Antics and watch those videos and been able to understand it because of how well he explains it. So you can watch Math Antics videos here on YouTube for free, or you can go to mathantics.com and you can watch them there. You can get access to worksheets to accompany each of the videos if you want, and it's only $20 a year. So those are my 4 tips that we use to supplement our math. I hope that this has been helpful. If you liked this video, please like and go over to my channel, like and subscribe, check out my other videos. I hope you have a great day. Bye.